Hello guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I want to show you how to prepare the Szechuan Wontons. Szechuan Wonton is different from the Cantonese wonton that is normally served together with noodles in soup. Instead, it is served with a specially made chili oil. It is hot and spicy, so if you like hot and spicy food, that is something you should not miss. But if you don't, no worry, just put a little less chili when you are eating it. So please follow me and I will show you how to make it. First, let's prepare the spicy soy sauce. Place some cold water in a pot. Fennel seeds, cloves, add the scallion, cinnamon, bay leaves, star anise, ginger, cardamom. Bring it to a boil. Then add the soy sauce, and brown sugar. Cover to simmer for about 30 minutes or until the volume is reduced by half. Strain the sauce through a wire mesh strainer. Now you have a thick sauce which is sweet, savory, and infused with the spice flavor. Another critical ingredient for the dipping sauce is the Szechuan chili oil. Putting about a quarter cup of chili flakes and some salt in a heat-resistant bowl, and then heat up about half cup of oil in a pan. After the oil is heated up, add a piece of cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, and the Szechuan peppercorn, and then cook over low heat until you can smell the aroma hitting your nose. I'll leave it there for about a minute. And you can really smell the aroma permeated the whole kitchen. And turn off the heat and pour the hot oil to the chili flakes through the wire mesh strainer. You can see the chili is sizzling. Pour through the strainer so that the strainer will catch all the spices that we do not want. Let the oil sizzle for a while, let it cool down, and the oil is ready. Now let's prepare the fillings of the wontons. Put the minced pork in a large bowl. Then add the following ingredients: light soy sauce, salt, white pepper, sugar, minced ginger and garlic. Scallion and coriander leaves. Some Shaoxing wine. And about 2 tablespoons of water. Combine all the ingredients until it turns into a smooth paste. To prepare the dipping sauce is straightforward. All you need to do is to combine the chili oil, the black vinegar, and the spiced soy sauce. Now it comes to the fun part, wrap the wontons. Place a teaspoon of fillings at the center of the wrapper. Apply some water to the side of the wrapper away from you. Fold the wrapper to seal the opposite side to encase the filling inside. Make a dent on the filling so that it is easier to fold. Apply some water on one of the corners. Fold the wontons so that the dry corner is on top of the wet corner. That's how I fold and make a beautiful wonton. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Place a small batch of wontons into the boiling water. When the water is boiling again, add some cold water to bring down the temperature. When the water is boiling for the second time, all the wontons should have been cooked and floated on the surface. Remove and place them on a serving bowl. Add the dipping sauce and serve immediately. I also like to add some chopped scallion on top as garnish. That's how I make the Szechuan Wontons or 红油抄手. If you like this recipe and if you want to try it, I have included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. I'll see you again in other similar videos on this channel soon, and bye for now.